In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an alert on a ray or trend line with TradingView. This is a fantastic feature for anyone involved in trading who wants to stay on top of market movements without constantly watching the charts. Alerts help you stay informed of relevant price movements by notifying you when certain conditions are met on your charts. Let's get started on setting these up. First, you'll want to ensure that you're at the right starting point. Open up TradingView on your browser and navigate to your chart of interest. Having your chart already open lets us directly access the features we need without any distractions or unnecessary steps. Now, once your chart is displayed, look for the alert button. It's usually found in the right toolbar. Clicking this will open up a new panel or window where you'll be designing your alert criteria. This icon is essential as it includes all the customization tools for your alerts. Once you've hit the alert button and opened up the settings, the next step is to focus on trend lines. If you haven't already drawn a trend line, you'll want to do this now. Otherwise, click on an existing trend line on your chart. Selecting a trend line allows TradingView to recognize that this is where you want your alert to be applied, linking the alert to this particular diagram. After choosing the trend line, the next job is to decide on the condition for your alert. TradingView provides several options like crossing. By selecting crossing, you're asking TradingView to notify you when the price crosses this trend line. Of course, you're free to pick other conditions such as crossing up or down, or even something more complex depending on your trading strategy. Take a moment to understand what each condition offers so that you can choose the one that aligns best with your trading goals. Lastly, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, look for the Create button. Clicking Create finalizes the whole process and activates your alert. This action ensures that TradingView begins to monitor the price action for your specified condition across the chosen trend line. And that's it. You've now set an alert on a ray with TradingView. Remember, alerts are a powerful tool to help make sure you never miss critical market events without being glued to your screen. Explore different conditions and strategies to find what works best for your trading preferences. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel like second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!